Good morning, party people. I am still in the Maryland area, close to Baltimore, working with Jose, trying to get his 2004 V70 cross country together. Man, we're doing a lot of performance modification to that. We're missing a few parts, trying to locate that stuff so that we can finish that car up, then hit another vehicle he has some control arms on. Not sure if we're going to get everything done on that XC70 2004 model. But hey, I'm in the area. Took a little bit of time yesterday, visited my cousin, watched the Steeler game, go Steelers, and then he put me to work on his Cadillac. I can't get away from it. But anyway, that was all fun. And like I said, I'm still in the Baltimore area. After that, going to Virginia, then headed south through North Carolina into Atlanta. I am running out of time. I need to be back in Albuquerque around the 10th. So, if for some reason I don't get everybody hooked up, I'm probably only going to stay in Albuquerque a couple days, then come right back out here to take care of the people that I promised I'd take care of. So, that's where I'm at. I am still planning to meet everybody in the schedule. Unfortunately, I cannot add people to the schedule. I may add people to the schedule if I double back. So that's what's going on. Appreciate you watching. Hope you enjoyed today's video. Welcome to Hanging Out with Robert. That's me. This video contains things that I tinker with throughout the day. For step-by-step detailed instructions of those tasks, you can click on the links in the comment section below. I plan on leaving this video accessible for about 30 days. After that, you can view it through my Patreon account. This video also has tips and tricks that I've learned over the years. So, thank you very much for watching. Best Western Shore Stay, Elizabethtown, PA. Very clean facility. Elevator's a little slow. Brand new looking washer and dryer, double stack, extra large capacity, commercial grade. Staff is very friendly. For breakfast, you gotta pick off a menu that's posted at the front desk. Tell them what you want, they bag it up, hand it to you. Paid about $20 a night. They don't have a lot of hotels in this town, so it's a little expensive because you don't have a lot of choices. I have no idea what this thing would have been a few months ago, but its decor is warm. Like I said, it is updated nicely. Rooms are a little on the small side, but they foot the bill. Bathroom area is extremely small. The sink is outside, but man, it's water pressure is real high. It's comfortable for us for a few days. Picked up one of these hair trimmers from Walmart yesterday. Decided to give myself a haircut since it is difficult finding a barber in COVID. And went on ahead and gave myself a haircut. I must say, I'm mildly impressed. Not bad for a $35 haircut. The kit came with probably 10, 12, 15 different guides. I was able to get a lot of hair cut off my head. Now I got to clean up my mess. So I think I look a little more presentable. Best looking hotel stairs yet, man. In the Holiday Inn Express, or no, this is just a Holiday Inn. West side of Baltimore. And step out here. Accumulating a little bit of garbage out here. Oh man, it's still a little chilly. It's almost noon. 11:30. I'm gonna move my trailer tied to that telephone pole over there and hit the road with Panther. Let me see what this sign says on this pole. It may say, "Don't tie your trailer here." Do 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 do. We are not responsible for your personal property. Thank you very much. Click. Would have been nice to put my trailer over there against that pole, but somebody is parked there. Let me get my mask and get Diane's lunch. There's a Chili's here. I noticed I had a couple more install problems on my door yesterday. Number one, it's back too far. It might actually be hitting this rear door. Got a gap there. Number two, if I unlock this door and open it up, the alarm goes off. So I gotta unlock the car before I let Diane in. Gotta get that fixed. Let me get Diane's lunch. Kicking off the Tinker Day in Washington, D.C. About to connect with Rod so we could replace the radiator in his 850R. Replaced the turbo in this thing a year or so ago. You guys may remember the excitement he had when he got his boost back. Well, he sprung a rad leak. And, man, look at the paint on that thing. He got it repainted a little while back. Looks like he needs some of those S70 roof trim. But he also needed to get that exhaust fixed. He bought an exhaust from Rock Auto. That thing was like a 2-inch exhaust coming off his downpipe. Anyway, we're going to replace his radiator so he don't blow the engine on the thing, and see what else we can get into. As soon as he comes out here, he should know I'm here. Got the fluid drain, the upper hose off, the fan shroud out. He decided he's going to delete the oil cooler lines. They look a little wet down there. They may be starting to leak. We're going to replace this lower rad hose over there. He's got a new rad hose for the top. So we are chugging right along. I don't think Rod drives this thing in inclement weather. And man, this freaking R bumper is perfect. The fog lights are in it. There ain't no cracks on it. This thing is banging. I got the rad loose, about to drop it down, hit these 2 10s on top. Then we'll be out with the rad. Oh, I gotta take these lines loose. Oil and train. Easiest way to get those. Clip ring puller. Spread those things right open. Walk them back. Let me get the other 3. Whoever did the radiator last time, they didn't even put these clips on right. These clips are half on. I'm glad half on kept them on. Oil cooler lines blocked off. Radiator in place. Got the lower hose replaced. Intercooler on. Thermostat next. After we do the thermostat, we're going to hook up the lines with new seals on them. The transmission lines. And keep rolling right along. Look at that thermostat. Broken. Wide open. You gotta get these things replaced if your car is getting cold while you're driving.
Huh?
The temp gauge fall down at all while you're driving.
Yeah.
You know your thermostat's messed up.
Okay.
So we got a new one for it. Volvo thermostat. There it is, folks. Boo-doo-doo-doo-doo. Got a few vacuum issues with Rod's car. We got a vacuum line there. We put a zip tie on. This clamp here was totally slid off of the throttle body on the bottom side. So you couldn't see it. Turbo pipe in here feels fine. And that feels okay. A little soft, but not bad. He's got a weird tube there. JB welded or something in there off his turbo boost controller. So, you know, it's got some issues. But or he's gonna fly with it. Everything back together, trying to get the coolant fan to kick on. Then maybe we could top off the coolant and we'll be all done here. We got thermostat, oil cooler delete, radiator replacement. New seals on the transmission cooler line. If you feel that this information was useful, please like it and share it with your social media friends. You can subscribe to my channel so that you will get notifications of future videos that I post. You can follow me on Twitter, and if you need to contact me directly, please visit my website. And if you have any questions, leave them below, and someone or myself will reply to them. Again, thank you very much for watching.